Consumers may now be able to buy cheaper rice in markets. The Agriculture Department and retailers agreed to sell rice as low as 43 pesos per kilo. The lower prices of rice should be imposed starting today, November 11. The DA also assured the public of enough rice supply for following the onslaught of tropical cyclones.
Part ng kasunduan, monitoring natin regularly. We are monitoring 30 markets, NCR-wide, every day from Monday to Saturday. So, part ito ng monitoring natin.
Nakakalungkot na how we talk about rice being so expensive per kilo. Kasi yung true value ng rice is way lower than that. Pumapatong lang yan dahil yung fuel cost tsaka yung kita ng mga middlemen pumapasok. But if you take a look at yung history of rice sa Philippines, no, at one point between 1975 and 84, the Philippines, the entire Philippines could feed the entire Southeast Asia. In other words, pwede natin pakainin ng rice. We could supply them and ourselves sufficiently. And tayo po nagturo sa several countries how to plant rice. Although they were all planting rice. In other words, yung tinuro natin was a way of planting that had high yield. Kasi noon yung traditional ways, mababa ang yield ng Vietnam and ng China. But we taught them how to have high yield. And now
Pero ngayon, no, nakakalungkot.
And now we're number one. We're top 3.
Importers
of rice in the world. That is such
ano yung ginawa, di ba, recently ng DA few months ago under the PBM administration, yung tataasan yung tariff, ang lower tariff ng mga import. Para daw matulungan yung mga consumers na magkaroon ng mababang presyo ng bigas. Pero ngayon, ganun pa rin. Specifically, meron din kasi nangyari yung onslaught ng Christine.
But if you think about it, importing rice is cheaper, importing chicken is cheaper, importing several
mabaha tayo ng import.
Of beef is, di ba, if you go to the grocery, tignan mo, Australian beef, mas mura siya by almost 80 to 100 per kilo.
Which is dapat
Granted,
hindi ganun.
it's not as fresh as when you get here, but if you're a company or a business that uses tons of beef in a month, saan ka bibili? Di ba? Bibili ka na lang sa ibang bansa. Di ba? When I was may mga kinokonsult ako mga chains before, restaurant chains. Yung chicken nila, they import by the ton sa Brazil. Instead of buying in the Philippines sa madaming farm at quality chicken sa Brazil kasi mas mura. Because of the the yield and the middlemen and all the patong.
Kaya kawawa yung mga farmers natin di ba? Sila yung nagpapagod.
Magkano kinikita ng farmer? Kapiranggut lang ang nakikita
especially
nila.
Ngayon mababa ang farm gate price.
Farmer.
Ay, tapos itong presyo na to ng bigas na to dapat masustain na kahit papaano kahit mahal na nga yung 43 pesos yung regular well-milled rice, 'di ba? Hindi yung mga pangit na klase ng bigas.